And it's March 28th, 2011. And here we have a horse by Tauria Maisiri, one of our favorite artists. He does a lot of wildlife and animals. He's from Harare, Zimbabwe. There's tremendous detail in his work, a lot of movement. This piece is sculpted from a stone called springstone, which is a very hard stone, which makes this piece all the more remarkable. The skill that's required is just incredible. And bright sunshine here today in Harare. Somebody doesn't want to be on video. Back to the horse. Stunning detail. All sculpted from one piece of stone. And there you have it, by Tauria Maisiri.